Your Ram 1500 tire pressure light is stuck on and you need it fixed. Here's the truth. There is no physical reset button on Ram 1500 trucks. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 methods that actually work. Let's get started. Before you start, open your driver's door and check the sticker on the door jamb. That's your recommended tire pressure. Most Ram 1500 models need between 32 and 45 pounds per square inches, though some heavy-duty or off-road packages may require different pressures. Grab a tire pressure gauge and check all 4 tires. Make sure your tires are cold. That means the truck hasn't been driven for at least 3 hours. Inflate everything to the exact PSI on your door sticker. Once all tires are at the correct pressure, we can reset the system. Method 1. Automatic Driving Reset Method. 1 is the automatic driving reset. This is how Ram designed the system to work. After inflating all your tires to the correct pressure, just drive your truck. No buttons to press, no tools needed. Drive for 15 to 20 minutes at speeds above 15 miles per hour. For faster results, get on the highway and drive at 50 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. The TPMS sensors are self-learning. They'll automatically recognize the correct pressures while you drive, and the light will turn off on its own. Most Ram trucks reset within 20 miles, some even faster. This works on all Ram 1500 models from 2008 to 2025. If your light doesn't turn off after 20 minutes of highway driving, move to Method 2. Method 2. Inflate Deflate Method. Method 2 is the Inflate Deflate method. This takes more work, but it's highly effective. First, overinflate all your tires by 3 pounds per square inches. So if your door sticker says 35 pounds per square inches, inflate to 38 pounds per square inches. Do this for all 4 tires. Now completely deflate every tire until it's flat. You'll need a jack or jack stands to safely lift your truck. Once all 4 tires are deflated, reinflate each one to the exact pressure on your door sticker. Drive your Ram at low speeds, around 15 miles per hour, for several minutes. This forces the sensors to recognize the pressure change and recalibrate. The huge pressure swing from overinflated to flat to correct wakes up the sensors and reboots the TPMS system. Method 3. Battery Disconnect. Method 3 is the battery disconnect hard reset. Only use this when methods 1 and 2 fail. Engine off, open the hood, and locate your battery. Using a wrench, disconnect the negative battery cable. That's the black one with the minus sign. Turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold your horn for 3 seconds to drain residual power. Wait a minute, then reconnect the positive battery cable. Make sure it's tight. Start your truck and drive for 20 minutes above 15 miles per hour so the sensors can relearn. The reset button myth. Let's address the elephant in the room. You've probably seen videos telling you to press the TPMS reset button under your steering wheel. That button does not exist on Ram 1500 trucks. Ram owners have searched for years. It's not there. Not on 2010 models. Not on 2019 models. Not on any Ram 1500. Ram designed the TPMS to automatically reset itself through driving. Save yourself the frustration. Just use the 3 methods I showed you. So there you have it. The 3 proven ways to reset a Ram 1500 tire pressure light. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.